You have been waiting for a great starter home to come on the market in Olive Branch, Mississippi, and today's your lucky day because we've got a beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bath home, single level, split bedroom plan, wood look tile all throughout. Tell you what, let's go check it out. Thanks so much for joining me today. If you'd like to take a private tour of this great house, give me a call. Tracy Kirkley with Crylike Realtors, 901-210-8045. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can be one of the first to know about all of my latest listings.